Hello YouTube, OB Gaming here, and welcome back to beamNG Drive. And today we're going to continue to commit some more traffic violations in the game, because I just like doing that in the game. Yeah. I don't know why, it's so much fun to do this. Okay, I hit the wrong button there for a second, but honestly... Oh god, I just love doing stuff like this. Turn, 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 turn. Whoa! Stop it! Reckless... Okay, whatever. I really don't care, dude. Okay, now I have to respawn the vehicle. Hey! Get out of here! Ooh! I got an idea. So instead of using the sports car to get away, I think I'm just going to use the off-roading vehicle that I can select. So, here, hang on a minute. I'm going to try and do this. I think it's like a water vehicle type. I have no idea what type of vehicle this is, but I'm going to use it anyway. The one thing that this vehicle says, I suck on roads, but, like, I'm good in water. This thing only goes, like, this thing only goes up to, like, 5 miles an hour. Oh, it can go up, oh, apparently it can go up to 20 miles an hour. Okay, that's slow. Wait a minute, I got an idea. So, yeah, I knocked over my trash can, that's just great. Anyways. Oh, you want to honk at me? Guess what, I got a surprise for you. Where is it? Here is the reckless driving vehicle. Oh! I think I just crushed them. Or, no, I deleted them. His vehicle's a little bit slower, but it's fine. Yeah, it's a little bit slower, but I can manage it. I knocked over his wheel! This vehicle's awesome. Oh my god, this thing is awesome to stop the cops with a plow. It's like one of those videos where the police are dealing with a criminal with a crazy like vehicle or something like that. I just knocked over a cop. That's actually really funny. Ow. Whoops. I think I got clipped on the side. Yeah, I got clipped on the road, but if I could pull myself out. Oh! Bull, you little monster! Yeah, I had to repair this thing. Hmm. Oh, I want to actually drive this instead. Tasty cola truck. Okay, here, let me, just... Wow, this thing is, like, slow. There we go. Now we can actually enter here. Wait, hold on. I have a question. Can you actually, like, open the back of this thing? Oh, wow. There's a lot of buttons I can press. Huh. Oh. Well, the game let me out of the truck. I think I hit E. Oops. Oh, that explains why I'm stuck. But anyways, guys, I think it's gonna wrap it for this episode. I'll see you guys next time.